Hello, in front of me I have REALME Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with your phone. First, we need to either turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. If you need to turn it on, press and hold the side button right here. And if you need to wake up the screen on your watch, simply press the side button, like this. After you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through the list by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. Now, select the language you like to use on your watch, for example, English, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Now we need to download and install the REALME Link app on our phone. To do it, you can use this QR code on the watch. Simply scan it with your phone's camera if you have Google Lens or some application that is capable of reading the QR codes, or you can open the App Store. In my case, it's gonna be Google Play Store because I'm using the Android device, but open the App Store on your phone. In the App Store, tap on search, type in REALME Link and tap search, and you should see this app right here called REALME Link. Let's install it by tapping on install button. After the app is done installing, you can tap on open button right here to open it. And in the app, let's tap on agree. Got it. And now we can either allow the app access to the device location or deny it. I'm pretty sure if you deny it, you won't be able to pair the devices together. But like I said, you can either allow it or deny it. I'm gonna allow it, so I'm gonna tap on while using the app. And here we can select the location, or rather our location where we're located. And you have a whole list of locations. You can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through it. Find the location you like to use. I'm gonna select United Kingdom, for example, and then tap next. Here we can allow or deny the permission for the device's storage. I'm gonna allow it. Now let's tap on got it. And here let's tap on this plus button. And now we need to log in into a REALME account. You can also create a new one if you need to by tapping on this button right here, register an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna log in through password, so I'm gonna select password option, type in email address, and then give me a few seconds, I'm gonna enter my password. Okay. After you enter the password, you can tap on sign in. Now, let's tap on the plus button again. And you should see the list of devices right here. Also, the app should be looking for your watch. As you can see, it says scanning for nearby devices. Let's wake up the screen on our watch again. If it doesn't find your watch, you can also select watch category right here. And from the list, select REALME Watch 2 Pro. And if the app is still having problems with finding your device, you can always press and hold the side button on your watch. And tap on the start button, then tap confirm to restart our watch. And hopefully that will fix the problem. So let's wait until the watch is done rebooting. Oh, as you can see, this time it sees us our watch. So let's select it right here by tapping on it. Then confirm by tapping on check mark on your watch. And as you can see, devices were paired. You can tap on get started. Here you need to agree to the terms of use. And right here we can again allow some permissions, like permission for the calls and contacts log. notifications, and music playback control. I'm gonna uncheck them all, but you can leave them on if you want to, and then tap next. And when you see this page, that means that devices are paired and your watch is ready to use, as you can see. Here we have it. And that's how you pair this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.